Swagat, swagat, swagat. Come, have a seat, take a seat. So much to chit chat about.
Yeah, you have a
Yeah.
debutante today. Couldn't
Debutant and a
believe.
veteran.
No.
Oh.
So your debut
true.
appearance on the show. I'm so excited. And Shahid, of course. Shahid, Kareena Kapoor, Priyanka Chopra, coffee veterans. They've been on.
Finally made it. You don't understand. Like for the, where I come from and my,
Kiara.
from South Bombay.
Yeah, South
As
Mumbai.
we know it, South Mumbai. For my friends and, we grew up on the show. Older, but I mean, you're clearly
Well, now,
not
I mean,
aging
I
after
announced
seeing
to the-
this low.
I announced to the world, this is my midlife crisis, darling. Just leave me alone. It's fine.
It's awesome.
I'm-
For them, this is like the biggest deal. Now I've made it for them. Till now it was like, हाँ ठीक है. She did Kabir Singh. She's worked with such wonderful actors. She's given cut too. That's all fine. Look, having got coffee with cut. Yeah, no way. Do you know what this means? This is huge. Yeah, I mean, I do know.
I
it's
honestly
a
can't believe that
movement.
she hasn't featured earlier. You not have her on your show.
I wasn't-
Absolutely.
I-
My loss.
now
I don't know
I'm-
why
you
did
want
you.
what?
You didn't like-
2019? How can you not?
He gave me movie after movie, but never called me on coffee with cut.
Well, the movie.
No
But who
complaints.
can actually attribute an entire second? Only you.
Only
Between
us.
you all.
But
I
with
mean,
your help
like,
in terms
Can
of...
you imagine?
That'll sound
Can
very
you
wrong,
imagine?
yeah.
It's like it's how it all happened.
Right.
Gee, there was Zoya, Dibakar rooted. Suddenly they were like, Karan, asked because this girl pretty much has
Orgasm.
meaning open like in khulke,
Eh.
ekdam.
You've seen the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know it was a really tough scene and somebody
Offered it-
knew like her to
Yeah,
do
so
something
I
like
don't
that.
know her. So I was like, okay, not allowing their daughters. I'm like, sure.
Yeah.
So I met Kiara at face and I knew her, of course, on my phone. Every time she used to call me, Ale, so I met her and I was like, can you come tomorrow and meet me? It's for a short film. She came out and she said, are you
I
direct?
have to say that, of course, that was a lot of people noticed me in. But I have to say that when I signed when I said yes, it was only to work with Karan Johar. It was like
Obviously.
obviously I grew up and I wanted to like. In retrospect, when I look back, I realized I don't mean to use the word bold, but what a brave topic to kind of and to speak of, because
Yeah.
why
Well,
shy away from women's
Apart
sexuality?
from that scene, you were so nice in all of it. You know,
Thank
yours and Vicky's chemistry was nice.
Fan.
He
I
sat
love
next
it.
to me and saw it.
Yeah,
I
so,
remember.
and I do it. Like, how are they going to make this better? Look,
Yeah.
and I was like, this is so embarrassing. Watching a man emote, and you're like, so the last scene, the film exploded at the box office. It was a big hit. It came to the.
You know,
Yeah.
it's so interesting because for me, Kabir Singh was the big turning point in my life. For Kabir Singh, very few people would come up to me, know me. But
Yeah.
after Kabir Singh, what's interesting is that there was a section of the audience, and let me tell you, a much larger section that would come up and be like, it was almost like they knew me as Preeti. They would
Yeah.
only call me Preeti. Till so much love coming my way, it was overwhelming. But then there was also, this section that there was obviously polarizing views on,
Especially your side of town,
especially people.
South Bombay.
A lot of people things problematic for them, and I didn't know how to receive this. I didn't know whether to
I remember you
celebrate
spoke to me
it.
once about it. Even Shahid,
called
like,
me
I'm
up.
Problematic,
Yeah.
the misogyny
Yeah.
in the film, which to me may be in this
Yeah.
love and craziness.
Yeah.
Did
So I think because I played understand why Kabir was the way that he was. So for me, that I need to play characters that are always being perfect. And it's about representing life as it is, you
Yeah.
know, and
you want to own it because it's given you everything and it's your biggest, and yet like said like, how could you be in a film like this, or how
No,
could your
so-
character do this?
so of course there are people I know who found it difficult, people like that. But you know, at the end of the day, he's very messed up. And from the very first promo that we clearly said, this is the story of a guy who's not, you know,
It's
ये बड़ा नया word है ना,
Yeah,
toxic.
छोड़ते भी नहीं.
Yeah.
We've
So it's
all
okay.
forgiven in love.
Of
And I
course.
feel that's the reason why it connects. It's only love that can make you, you know, forgive certain actions.
The one that is depicted in Kabir Singh.
I mean, most definitely, this is a movie. Coming back to the one depicted in Kabir Singh, I want to just, he's taken it very nicely and smooth.
Relation
Of
with
course,
Siddharth
it's
Malhotra.
different from Kabir.
Are you?
I'm
I mean,
not
isn't
denying or
it so
accepting.
loud? To your
Isn't it
relationship,
so
please
last
can you
season
explain?
to ask this question? Of course it is.
No, how?
Of
Welcome
course.
to. In
Because
case you were
वो सब
wondering how it
ठीक है.
was, this is
Okay. I'm just saying, aren't you in a relationship?
I am right
I'm in
now
a
in a
relationship.
I think she's
relationship.
definitely in a relationship with Coffee with Karan.
We are definitely close friends, more than close friends.
Is that something that happens because on a daily basis? Because
Or maybe it's just
is it
because
that-
you guys are
You know,
such a
not-
good-looking couple.
Necessarily, I feel
So she's also smart.
save me today.
You look beautiful together
He's
in
a
Shesha,
Thank you,
yaar.
thank you.
ऐसा करूँ.
Funnily, Sid and I know each other from not before. I mean, we were in the
From
movies,
another
but
life?
before we actually were cast together in Shershah. He was,
Yeah.
of course, cast. And I started talking, and
You know when-
at
you
this at the rap party of.
At-
We crashed
we
somebody
crashed a
else's
friend's
party.
house, and the cast of Love Stories was like we had just
We just
we had
wrapped
seen the
up.
screening of the film
No,
or
we
the
had just
shoot
wrapped
wrap,
up shoot,
wrap,
yeah.
and met for the first time.
Casually met. Of course, I'll never forget
It's
that.
nice to know that.
evening.
I think Shahid did a very smart thing in his life. Smart, maybe I should not use that word. I meant it was the correct life beat for him when he married Meera.
In a way, it is.
Yes.
Okay.
How conscious you are of what's going on. So for me, it was very simple. I have two very distinct sides to myself, and I'm vegetarian.
Yeah.
And I was kind of just at that time through family and through friends. This kind of happened, and we met, and she makes me feel very normal.
You know, when you're someone from a
Outside.
different world, you feel there's
But
so much
actually,
more to
that's
life
the world.
also.
We are a
That's
little bit of
But
reality.
are you,
like
Kiara,
a-
but now you still feel like you need
I've always believed in the institution because I've seen a beautiful marriage. It's definitely, you know, I do see that in my life. But I'm not revealing that on Coffee with Karan today.
I mean,
after Juk
firstly,
Juk Jeevan, I've been hearing
I'm not
all. Yeah,
I'm just
no,
asking, like, and honestly, I don't think it's a
Relationship, and now she's
I'm
almost
confused.
confessing to the fact
I'm
that she's
talking
ready.
about-
We'll
Well
get
done.
the
Nobody
details.
does
We'll
this
get
better.
We're planning it by the end of this episode.
We might just
Yeah, I would love.
well,
Of course, you all will.
are we going to make it because
invite him.
No. I'm just kidding.
What
Of course, I would call
what
him.
nonsense? I have to be.
Made it
Also, this couch has been,
aspirational.
as I said it, because people, what they have said here has manifested
Has
and happened.
happened. Thinking of all that I want now, and I'm going to say it on this.
क्या
couch,
बचा है? Say right now,
We were
Kiara.
actually,
Not there.
Yeah.
it was not, and you've coming from
I
such
think
a
you
big
can say
hit.
that. Dealing with what's going on.
I have actually.
But I can't say that.
You
But
can't say. That's what
did
I'm
you-
saying. You
did
have
you-
everything that you want. Yes.
And everyone said you were outstanding, and actually coming from a performance that was national award winning. For you to deal with how the film went at the box office.
Actually, in December, when we were supposed to release on the 31st, and then we couldn't release on the 31st because in December, I asked myself, I said, am I thinking Father Son dynamic had and my producer, both of them, Aman and Gautam, were very keen that the film goes to the big screen. It happened, I was really thinking that should we just now go skill hota hai, especially जब आपका सारा material out है.
Yeah.
And then unfortunately, we released in April, which was not a great month for us because multiple times by the time we released. But you know, you're still optimistic and hopeful, thinking that no, yaar, ho jayega and all. But because maybe the film needed to be protected.
Had
and
you
put
released
on,
it,
you know, ever since
and
come
even
out. on-
film
Yes.
are emotionally. It's true, actually, Shahid. Sometimes you take a call from your heart, but
It might be personal or it might not really be a big screen experience visually. Yeah,
because I mean, people
absolutely.
want to watch. Like, we haven't had a good run. Actually, say congratulations on a box office number.
Yeah,
I
Alia
can-
was just
like,
going to
and to do things, yeah, they're all for a larger reason. Maybe it's a lesson learned.
You know, we can make plans all we want, and then life happens. As as you can make many choices because life will change. So
Yeah.
and you never know which one's going to land and take it home, which one's not. You know, like her timing for Bhool Bhulaiya was great, right?
Yeah.
People were in the mood for some. You know, so
Yeah.
that's how it is.
Bingo.
gotta keep working.
And that takes me to bingo, which is what our segment is. Now we've introduced an element in Comical Coffee, bingo, to you, and a pencil that you can circle stuff, green, and I will be the big master of ceremony staring at it. So, Alexa.
So what are we doing? I don't know.
No.
Role
Basically,
play.
have I bitch
Oh,
slapped
I'm
you with
loving
my-
this bingo.
You're very excited
Actually,
about
I'm
this,
going to
no,
answer this also.
Kiara?
I
I'm
can
done with mine.
analyze.
Yes.
Actually, yes.
You bitch slap?
You know why? I bitch slapped Shahid in my head. I'll tell you when.
Why?
It was just one day on set. At my third or fourth day on set, I had just come in. 8 hours because there was a discussion about Shahid's shoe.
We shooting.
We were shooting that bench scene. No, when the bench scene in that song.
Oh, when I
you
lie
come- when you lie
down. And he
you go
wanted me to come
sleep.
in chappals or
He
something.
wanted you to come in chappals.
But I was
and-
coming on
so
the
they were having
bike
a
and
discussion
it
about
was winter
chappals
India,
versus
yeah.
boot. Yes.
I think they were lying to you.
Babu, it
8
was
घंटा
8
तो
hours.
कुछ नहीं।
But they said Costa. And I... मैं
It's
बोल
okay,
भी
Kiara.
नहीं सकती.
I love you.
I love you too. That's why you'll be able to like take this. Say who
You
I
mean-
am.
Lied
You
about
just
your
wanted to take
relationship,
my head.
Kiara. You have
My
just not
relationship
admitted.
status. Now y'all know the truth.
Found a
Yeah, like you know when you're on a break and then you kind of like
Yeah, for sure.
want to text the ex because
Oh.
One of
all
the
done
most
this.
done thing. It's one of the
not
most
an
done
ex,
things.
but in that
I
yes,
can't
I've told you this story. Okay, I must tell you. This was my most embarrassing story. This was before I became an actor, debuted in the film industry.
We're not interested
So
in that.
no,
story.
but it's in an industry party. Sujoy Ghosh. It's very embarrassing. So basically, Juhi Chawla had she's a very close family friend.
Mm.
So she knew I wanted to get into the movies, and She had done a movie, I Am, which won the national. She invited me because she wanted to introduce me to the director, and she knew I was aspiring to be an actor. So I went. I was quite young. So I was having this conversation with the director, and it was like a busy, crowded party, and he was standing here, and I was standing here, and we're talking, and he lifted his to the end of the conversation. We should hug and say bye, but he was calling somebody else. For a hug. And Juhi auntie just looked at me like, what is she doing? And I said, oh God, I must look. Hear these
Well, that's
stories.
sweet, yeah. That's so
That
sweet.
is not okay.
Yeah,
Embarrass
that's
yourself,
okay.
Sujoy.
So Joy
So
sir doesn't
too, yeah.
remember this story because I
Okay, then
told
the
him
only
about
thing
it.
you
I hated a gift given by Bay. That was my. It was not. Hasn't given me any gifts that I've hated. Stuffed toy gifts, like those. Teddy bears and all. I just knocked those.
But what's your
guys.
thing?
You know, when you're younger,
What
that's
thing?
all. Not at all. Just like thoughtful things, like. I
Waiting.
love free gifts.
I'm waiting for her to give me a brand name.
No
Which
brands.
brand would
I
you
don't.
love?
I like supposing we were like I gave you a gift.
Yeah, you did. You got me a really
Remember?
nice pair of
We both
sunglasses.
felt really
Very
sick
sweet of
while
her.
we were shooting. I recovered, but he was still unwell. So I had the day off. I went shopping and then I bought Shahid. Waiting for mine. I'm just saying. That's why I reminded you.
Okay.
I
So
haven't got
those
it
are
yet.
yours. Can we see Shahid's
duly
bingo?
noted, Kiara.
Ki sabko
Yours
do.
look so neat.
I know one co-star you've definitely
Coaster.
that I've
I think we share that.
I only want to know who.
had a
Later.
crush on your teacher.
Different
So what was your
relationships call for different. Yeah.
I was watching
Chor
this, so
police.
I'm not-
She's
I'm not
such a
answering
liar, you
these
know,
ones.
Kiara.
Yeah, she's a.
Yeah, always
My
with the right
mother is going
answers.
to watch this. I hope
You
so.
have all the right to be inappropriate.
So you've clearly done this.
Years.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You've been.
Yeah, of course. Happens.
I hope
but then
that-
like it's like the time, yeah. I'm doing it all the time. Come on.
Tum shadishuda mard ho.
Racy text. It doesn't mean like.
Oh,
No,
just-
racy
okay,
text
okay.
is like that.
I just had to get to Meera.
people don't
something
usually
else.
complain, but they just
Yeah.
remind that correct. If you don't
Yeah.
delete it, then they realize that this person has not realized. I cringed in a few scenes. I was like, what am I? In the
certain-
beginning, most of the women that one has dated, parents, especially their father, would reject you for no reason, but when you can't be good enough. And then you have to work your way up from there. Well, yeah, no, it's not like that always, right? You have to still make the same amount of effort and you're loving and prove to the father.
So tell me, that has been like a strong support system to you, whatever. I mean, like she's also
should
become
ask her.
like
I
she's
don't know if
become
she
a
thinks I
today, and she's
Yeah.
carved
Yes.
that niche on her own.
Yes.
Are you?
I don't know. I don't know how much she thinks I have differently.
Yeah.
You know, she needed to be and come to Bombay, and I was very established in my space in films in general. So sometimes you used to feel like I'm, you know, I
Being
know,
a bit
I know, but I used to sometimes do it from a place of just I wanted to protect her because
Like she
And she
knows.
kind
Yeah,
of
she-
always was.
Yeah,
Like that
yeah,
episode
yeah.
also, I remember when you guys were on the couch.
Yeah.
It was, she was so herself.
she was more
and so
confident than
confident.
conscious and
No, but I-
careful, and you know.
But you
But
know,
I
it's
think
just
it
like she
brings
just-
a lot of
she-
stability and calmness to Shahid's life. I
Yeah, I have changed, yeah.
sense that like I have someone to go back home to. I have that, you know, and I always wanted that person in my corner, and we're starting our life together. We have that, and I felt it was so beautiful. And she's truly one of the loveliest. Truly, I really love her. I really, really think she's like this.
She's absolutely
fresh,
lovely. In
warm
fact,
sunshine
from the
in his
time I
life.
girl,
Yeah.
like she just, it was
You know, I've just done a film, Jug Jug Jio. I've been around a lot of married couples.
Yeah.
I feel it's Oraman married some
Yeah.
around.
But she just has that vibe, and she, I think,
beautifully.
yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sure she
More
will.
power to that.
Of course, you'll be invited whenever it happens in life.
Yeah.
He has decided.
Just
No, I'm just like asking.
just making
know, I
sure.
don't
You're not
know.
answering. End of this year, and it's not a movie.
Yeah, clap, 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 clap.
Guys.
And clap.
Oh,
So guys, we have a little.
yes.
We have an audience.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Say yeah.
Oh.
Say hi.
What are you looking for? Are you looking for like
Oh, they're saying
They
also.
want controversy.
ये audience? बड़ी सही चुन के लाए हो तुम।
Hey guys, just for you to
Of
know,
course not.
be her
Thinking.
debut
I don't
on
know.
Coffee with
Play in the
Karan,
middle.
right?
In the middle. Yes. He's telling me what to say. Sorry. This is my debut. Please motivate me, encourage me, and give this one to me. Please.
See,
you don't
such-
understand.
such-
Do
such
this for South
innocence.
Mumbai. The
लड़के
girls
कितने
are screaming
शर्मा
for
रहे।
you.
Turn on the Jackwa. Kiara Advani, are you ready?
Yes, I think so.
If your current life was a movie title,
Sher Shah. I mean, it should be like.
Lion
It's a
size.
good, yeah, king size.
matters.
I
does it?
should have said that. Jug Jug Jio. Can I have this?
Okay.
So, you know, there's this rumor that I'm the blue-eyed girl of Dharma. Film that Dharma is doing, Karan offers me. But after Jug Jug Jio and Govinda Naam Mera, you've not given me another film, but you've also announced your own directorial.
Okay.
So I just want to say,
Okay.
it was a pit. It was a subtle one.
It was which part of this was subtle?
But you got it now.
Note it.
A 300 crore film.
If the following actors have to participate,
He'd be flying.
okay.
His martial arts.
Well, he
Yes.
has.
So he'll be stripping. Loves to
Always
strip.
taking his clothes off.
Always.
Yes.
He's a very good singer. He has an amazing voice.
I
Yeah,
wouldn't have
Yeah,
said, you know.
he's got
I think he's a
amazing-
bath-
Push him a little.
Kiara
Vicky
के लिए गाता है
Kaushal.
ना?
He's a great Punjabi rapper. It's like this.
Yeah. He's a
Yeah. He, Insta lives and singing all these
Yeah,
songs, you know, he's fully
superb.
into it.
Tell the debutante Kiara Advani.
You could have kept your first name.
But Kiara is such a beautiful
It is a
name.
beautiful
When I mention the names of your
energy. How dare you? Preeti. He calls.
I've never said it like that in the
Shahid,
movie, Kiara.
just say it. No, but he says it in. Say honestly.
that you make
I
it.
have video.
You made it sound like
I'll
it's
prove
a.
it. It's our thing. No, he
Oh,
says
you're
it like
starting.
this, obviously off
Starting.
screen, like off screen. Every time he calls it, Prithvi! And then he'll start the con. And I have
And
videos of
what
that.
comes to your mind when
Gyara!
Superb.
Sorry.
that only?
Just, yeah, last night. Yeah.
A celebrity who
I really love Alia Bhatt to be in the Bright Squad. I love her. It's a bit. Who said this Yola?
yeah,
And
I
then
think,
Maybe it might just be cool.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
yeah.
quite a nice, lovely
not?
moment, friend.
Shahid Khan. No, I mean you're on the couch. No, but you are.
So Jovi,
Answer.
No,
Or
but
you have too many
honestly-
friends.
but she's
No, I
always
don't
said
have
it.
too many. I mean, I have a great working equation. Genuinely, I can call Shahid at any. Sometimes we don't talk. We don't talk. Random Instagram posts and funny pictures we see of ourselves. Or there are times I feel like if I ever have to call him for advice, or if I ever have to, just pick up the phone and I know that he'll be there for. That means a lot to me, and that's very. Special. I mean, you don't have to talk every single. Very few people who you can actually count on and you can think of. Okay,
It's nice to know that. No, I don't.
I want to call you for a meal now.
I'm
you
not that
Jack's
kind of a
food.
person. I'm a very like.
Fishing,
I'm always like
fishing
this.
now. I've always.
I've always like
She's
that. Very important. मैं कभी नहीं ऐसे सोचता.
But you are.
It's lovely. This.
He's very happy. Karthik. We've had many.
ups and downs.
Sometimes we'll quarrel. We won't talk. He's also a really sweet guy, and he's very sweet. I mean, he's had a great working equation as well. I would say everyone.
Why
Everyone
not?
harmlessly
Yeah.
flirts. Have you? I don't know. He's very nice to me. He's very sweet.
Not flirtation.
Compliments me, yeah.
Okay.
That's
Some nice to you.
Well, we all know that you're Kiara. So tell us, what is
it's all the love we get from people.
the love, abundant love?
Abundant love. Hamper ka pata nahi crowd
Shahid
mein
Kapoor
Yes.
for
go
the
it.
7th time.
Number one actress. Number one actor we can discuss.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
I know
think
what
she
you'll
needs
say.
to have a little bit of a mean side. She's too sweet all the time.
Goody.
Thoda sa, be a little like, thoda, be a
Namak
little
to
like,
hai.
don't
Namak
be-
hai.
This mirchi that
It's the
you're...
only bit of
Add a little. Okay. One piece.
that generation goes. Through that a lot. They feel he's just such a brilliant, talented boy that I think if
Yeah.
Fantastic. That's your answer.
yeah, very candid.
That's
and
your
honest,
answer. Of yes.
You know,
I
so,
mean, we all did collect.
pure personally for other reasons, but not as an actor.
Shahid's
And I think that I overthink stuff. Honestly, I wouldn't be what I was in Kabir Singh if I hadn't done the films I did with Vishal sir.
is a
Bas,
very big
yeah,
year.
yeah.
And last,
And I'm okay. I'm not. And then I was like, okay, maybe I can give this a shot. My dad's son, but I never stayed with him, and I had no
Yeah.
exposure and stuff. And I started doing videos and all.
exceedingly well, and
One
it's
more
all
fire.
yours. How
No, you'll
kind
be
and
honest.
how-
It's fine.
Popping up on
I am heartbroken.
See, I told you you're going to win. I told
Kiara
you.
at 57%.
Guys,
Shahid
this
Kapoor
is
a
a
strong
real moment.
43.
Thanks, guys.
Debut.
Didn't get herself in too much trouble and she managed to give good answers.
But even you didn't
Guys,
get
but
yourself
even you
into
gave
any
some
trouble.
lovely answers. इसको दे दो, इसको दे.
And for the very
Guys.
first time on clap,
Well
clap,
done,
clap,
Kiara
clap, guys.
Advani.
Speech while you sit down with it.
Well, thank you to the jury who's for telling us that he wanted controversy. I've said was only for the jury to like all for camera.
See,
You all have to stop
actually,
this.
मेरी अगर मुझे
You look
आना
like, see, you have to
पड़े.
look like you don't want
Because
to
I'm
get married.
Actually,
But it's written all over your face.
But
So,
Shahid-
we can't lie because like
तू लड़की वाला होगा. मैं तो अभी मैं लड़कों.
People are done planning my wedding.
ठीक है हम डांस कंपटीशन करेंगे.
हाँ, fully.
You're a
Done.
डोला रे डोला.
Shahid Kapoor and Karan Johar are wedding for
I
you.
have to invite you all now.
And you have won this, but Shahid Kapoor, you have a chance to redeem yourself. Glam some slam. You all know the rules of the game. This is a coffee quiz. You have to horn bajane ka और फिर जवाब देने का.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I hope so.
What four-letter word begins with F?
Well done, Chai.
To be behind for the
myself,
first time.
Let's try.
All right. Movie featuring Akshay Kumar. Correct.
Why didn't I do this?
Of Singapore.
Singapore.
Correct. Okay. Okay. In the poem Johnny, Johnny, Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar.
He pressed the buzzer. What is the answer?
I said it. No? But
okay.
he is right.
No.
You have to press. You have to press to impress. All the alphabets and ends with I love you.
LM.
Which will?
Which film?
What is Amir?
It's a long one.
Sorry. No, yaar. Arey, yaar. Janardhan
Tick, tick,
no,
one.
something. What the hell
Tick,
is that
tick,
name?
two.
Rancher. Rancher.
Fungsu Pangrusa.
You were never.
Mr. Wax
You were-
Sivu.
Okay.
I don't know. I was
But
thinking
Rancho was
Janardhan
also-
Jat.
No, that was the other
Okay,
character.
okay.
Okay. Which two actors performed to the dance of envy?
Oh,
Arey,
I
yaar,
know, but
Madhuri
Dil to
Dixit.
But I
Yeah,
pressed it
no,
first.
No, she pressed. She pressed.
Yes,
Yeah.
she pressed. Okay. Pressed.
I
Okay.
started listening to the rules and then...
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, stuffy.
Got it. Right. With a real life popular Bollywood actor, what is his name? Give me an answer. You said Ranveer.
I said Ranveer.
Let
you are
them
giving
read
to-
first.
Kiara's 3 in this. Mr. India. Agnipath.
Kancha... Kancha
Kancha
China.
China.
Correct. Got it. I'll give it to her. Shan.
Chakal.
Got it.
I didn't know it, but I did.
All right. Badly explained plots. 3 friends take a trip to Goa.
Dil Chahta Hai.
Attends her best friend's wedding in
I-
girl, giving you a chance. Now you.
Bro,
Too
come on,
bad.
bro.
Too
No,
bad.
she didn't
Too
press the
bad.
buzzer. She didn't
But
press the buzzer.
It was my chance.
She didn't press
anyway, you
the
shouldn't
buzzer.
have given it to
I
me.
answered
Okay, I'm giving
first.
you. You're not.
He's good.
Come on, come on.
Okay, and this one is mine. But
Okay.
I'm answering
Okay.
this.
Killer.
Kajol.
Gupt.
Go.
Yeah, correct. You said go.
Kajol is the kinner. Good job. She
Okay.
clearly is
Okay.
pressing. pressing the buzzer with
And the
no
last
interest
one.
in the
And
answer.
the last one. The Gills of a Rich.
Dil धड़कने दो.
Correct.
I can't
Now
even
it's
redeem
hey,
my-
it's me. You have to call up celebrities. This is each call gets you, and we have to find out what they're doing, and you win 2 points.
Okay, say.
Who's this?
I'm on Coffee with Karan. Say.
Who said?
Siddharth Malhotra. Just say it fast.
Explain who you are,
Say hi,
please.
Karan.
Say your name loudly.
I'm far behind Shai, so I have to quickly call more people. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Nobody's picking up my call.
That's why you should call them from before.
Hello. Kiara Advani making
Varun
seconds.
Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan on the line. Yes, Varun.
Say hi, Karan. It's me.
I am Varun Dhawan. How are you guys? Hey, Karan, it's me.
And what are you?
You don't.
Somebody pick up, please. Aranya, say it's you.
Ananya. She's busy giving
Hi,
us.
sir. Hi, sir. It's Anil, sir.
Anil
Sir,
ji,
I'm on
Anil.
Coffee with Karan. You have to say hi, Karan. It's me for me to get this point.
Hi, Karan. How are you? What's up?
It's great. Hey, Karan,
Meera,
it's
say
me.
who it is.
Say.
Meera, say who it is.
Meera, say, hey, Karan, it's me. Anil, you have to say, hey, Karan, it's me.
Hey, Karan, this is me, Anil Kapoor, talking to you.
Anil Kapoor.
Okay, Gail, I love you.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay. Ishan, say who it is. Say it's you. Ishan, say it's you. Say Ishan.
Meera, say hi, Karan. It's
Wait,
me.
you can't call Meera.
Hi,
You can't call. Call the same person.
But who said that? You never
Okay,
said
Meera, you have to say, hey, Karan, it's me again.
Meera, say. Awesome. I'll call
Okay,
Ishan and
last
Ananya
10
next.
seconds. Whoever gets a call.
I'm
10,
not answering.
9,
I don't know.
8,
You don't have to call anyone because I'm calling you.
8,
No.
You don't have to call anyone.
7,
How many points have I
6,
got? Oh,
5,
let's call more.
3,
Shit, yeah.
last 3 seconds. 2,
Stop it, yeah.
and
Every time. Tell us.
what are you doing? What are you doing, Ansik?
Maybe they will.
And 5, 4,
Not
3,
really.
over.
I had no more.
Very upset.
1. And it was a really fun game round. Huh? I had a
Well
lot
done,
of fun.
Kiara.
मैंने तो enjoy किया.
Sure.
Enjoy.
I'm so happy
So
to
happy
see
you
that
are.
you like to return favors when people let you win
Yes.
coffee hampers. You
Really.
really let
really
them
do.
win.
We're such
the
giving,
next
we're very
round,
supportive co
You know.
I know, I can imagine. I feel the emotion
I'm
and you're
so
like covering my
happy for you.
camera. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
412.
Now let's return to give him the prize.
Yes, we must.
Come. Loser.
See how well I'm-
Congratulations.
I'm
and
such a
guess what the
sport.
Trying to be
present?
classy.
I'm so
Guess what the
happy for
present
you.
says? Ow!
Are you okay? How?
It says sexy and
It's like break
we
a
know
leg.
it. Okay
Well
then.
done.
All right. To go is what does the
I'm with him on this answer.
work to find
Hard
the
work.
luxury in your life? All right.
We're all
And
winners today.
Both of you are winners. You love motion picture movies coming your way, and so much love about to come with everything you're about to do, for being on every season of, and had so much fun at the game round and the rapid fire. You guys were amazing, and I loved it.
Yeah, we
It's
really are.
amazing.
Made it to
He
her.
did.
सफेद
जी।
पहन रही हैं. And I, followed in queue.
Thank you, Shahid Kapoor. This was amazing. Very soon in the next. Lovely.